Okay, so I'm going to make sure I record this one so we can go back and watch it, okay? But we know it's going to be x and x. Okay, now we just have to figure out, again, just like always, this is the question every time. We need two numbers that add up to 10. Okay, they got to add to 10. And they have to multiply to 21. Jeez. Does it seem pretty easy to you guys? Okay, is there anybody? Jeez, you guys are good. Okay, let me go back and put the answers in then. You guys throwing me off right now. I expected everyone to have questions, and I expected to do a million examples. Yeah, x plus 3, x plus 7. All right. So, is there anybody that wants to see it? Does anybody want to see another example of this? I think we should probably do a couple more at least for everyone. Okay. So, let's make the next one. Make this one look. This one's going to look kind of weird now. Maybe not. Make sure this works. Yeah, okay. All right, so now we need them to add to that number and then multiply to that number. So as you guys are thinking, okay, because some of these take a little bit. Okay, as you guys are thinking, when I do this, what I kind of try to do is I start with the multiplying first, because there's a lot of numbers that add up to 11, but there's only a certain amount of numbers that add up to 24. I mean that multiply to 24. Sorry. So I would be thinking okay, 1 times 24, that's not going to add up to 11. 2 times 12, closer. That's not going to add up to 11 though. Excellent. Yes. Great question with the negatives. Yep. So this one, my next one that I would have came to was 3 and 8. 3 times 8 is 24. And oh, shoot, look at that. 3 plus 8 is 11. So that means my numbers are 3 and 8. And keep in mind, on these ones, are the signs are always positive, right? Because these ones are all positive. So, I mean, if these are both positive, there's no reason why these ones would be anything different. So these ones that we've been doing with the all positives, those are the easiest ones. Okay, now I want to do one like what Lori was asking about with some negatives.